Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Brandon Johnson from Used Boats TV. Is your boat kind of starting to look like a big disgusting pile of old boat parts? Well, if so, you're watching the right video, because today we're going to discuss the 5 easiest and least expensive ways by doing it yourself you can upgrade and update your boat, so you can start parking in the front of the dock instead of the back this summer. Do me a favor while you're here, be sure to like or subscribe to my channel by clicking below. Let's begin.
What it really means to live life golden. About to see it shine.
Starting off with number 1, it's real easy. Just changing out your cup holders. See, white plastic in boats isn't good, especially as it ages. It starts to turn yellow, like this. See how these cup holders are ugly and yellow here? So watch how easy this is. Pull one out, throw it away. Get a new shiny one, push it in. Get another yellow one, throw it away. Get a new shiny one, put it in. Now before you put those in, you should probably wrap the top with like double-sided 3M tape you can buy at O'Reilly's. But once you do that, changing out the cup holders, easy, inexpensive thing to do, really makes your boat look a lot more sharp. And another thing you can do, other than just changing out your cup holders to stainless, you can buy the ones that light up, like the 4th of July, and just cut them into your courtesy lights. So now we're going to discuss light housings. Back to the whole white plastic thing, these things don't like the sun and the abuse, so you can change them out. ReplacementBoatLights.com has just about every different one ever made. If that doesn't do it for you, or if you already have nice housings, you can just take the bulb out of those, go to O'Reilly's, go to LEDs. That makes a significant difference also. And you can also change out different housings like on the inside. You can find newer or upgraded housings that are stainless or already have LEDs in them. Just forewarning here, as you're kind of seeing some pictures of my boat that I did, just don't go overboard. I did all blue, and as you can tell, it lit up my boat like a darn blue tanning bed. So I had to change out some of them to white, kind of blend it in all better. That's just a little bit of advice. So then you also have more interior plastics such as speakers. And unfortunately, speakers, they like to turn yellow too, and as easy it may sound to just replace the covers, it's very difficult. So you're better off just spending the money buying new, nice looking speakers, because it makes a significant difference. Number 3, helm features. So you know how in some old boats, some of the dash and helm panels start to look kind of crappy, crummy, and really show their age? Some of them are even made of wood and they crack. Well, there's a few different things you can do. You can take them off and send them and have them hydro dipped, which is very popular. It makes a huge difference. Or 3M makes a product called Dynoc that you can purchase on eBay or just about anywhere really. Once you have those dash panels looking good, be sure to replace your steering wheel because it makes a significant difference. See, the steering wheels on these old boats are kind of ugly sometimes. See, older boats typically don't have really cool steering wheels. They've got something kind of like this. It's not that great. So you can get on websites such as Great Lakes Skipper, eBay, Amazon. You can contact your local boat dealer and find out what your bolt pattern is and just buy a new one. Then it'll look awesome, like this. Oh yeah. And by the way, growing up, my parents always said, boy, you got champagne taste on a beer budget. Which I don't quite understand why they said that, because is that like accepting it's okay to be poor? Point of this story is everything that I'm putting in this video, I've done myself. Like flooring, for example. Number 4 is flooring options. Now this is the only one that will drive you kind of crazy because it can get kind of expensive, but there's just so many options. If you want to start off small, you can do SeaDeck on the swim platform, or you can actually use hydroturf.com and save a bunch of money. But if you got the money to spend, go ahead and do the SeaDeck. It's awesome. You can do it on the swim platform, or go crazy and do it in the entire boat, like this one in this example. Here's a before and after doing the entire boat in SeaDeck. Well, you can also just do less expense and upgrade the carpet like this one. I'm a big fan of the seagrass, and I'll tell you a quick way how to make that a lot cheaper. Get on eBay, find remnants of boat flooring that you like. Once you find enough, which usually for about a 26.5 foot boat, 25 by 8.5 is enough. Call your local carpet companies and find any shop that has a binder. If they have a binding machine, you take them your carpet and the new roll of flooring, and they can cut and pattern that for you. Then you just gotta put your snaps in. Boom. New fancy flooring on a budget. Number 5 is decals and badging. Sometimes graphics really date a boat, and it's amazing, like in this 270 Crown Line right here, what a difference it makes by just taking the graphics off, putting a hard polish on it, and seeing how beautiful she looks. So other things you can do are, your old lettering, your old badging. Sometimes manufacturers make models for several years, so if you just take the old maybe like gold Crown Line letters off and put on a new fancy Crown Line logo, that'll really update the exterior look of your boat. Now I gotta throw out just one bonus idea. Now this can get kind of expensive, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it right. So used trailers are typically worth their weight in gold if the boat's 24 foot or bigger, especially in a market where people keep their boats nearby the water. So you can sell your trailer on like Craigslist, for example, and get quite a bit of money. Now, once you have that money, go ahead and shop around and find the best deal you can on a new trailer, because as you can see in these before after pictures here, these are the same boats on a new trailer, and wow, what a difference that can make. Well, my name is Brandon and I appreciate the opportunity. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get more info like this one. I'll see you on the water.
Models popping bottles.